How to stop hiccups. Take a big sip of water and swallow 7 times. When hiccuping, drink a large sip of water and swallow it in 7 times, neither more nor less, and the hiccup will stop immediately. This recipe is really amazing. My mother told me when I saw me hiccuping when I was young. Every time I see family members, classmates, or colleagues hiccuping, I will tell them this method immediately, and the result is that the hiccups stop immediately. This recipe was told to my mother by an old grandma in the family when she was a child. I vaguely remember that my mother said that the old lady lived a long life in that poor era, and she may have more knowledge.